everyone, and welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, your trusted destination for the latest smartphone reviews and tech updates. Today, we are taking a deep look at one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of this year, the Samsung Galaxy A6 Pro 5G, a device that brings flagship-level features at a very competitive price point. The Samsung Galaxy A6 Pro 5G comes with a premium and modern design that feels solid and stylish in the hand. Samsung has focused heavily on build quality this time, offering a sleek glass finish with a slim profile that looks and feels like a high-end smartphone. The phone is comfortable to hold, lightweight, and clearly designed for users who want both performance and style in one package. On the front, we get a large 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which is one of the biggest highlights of this device. The colors are vibrant, the brightness levels are excellent, and the smooth scrolling experience makes everything feel fast and fluid. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, browsing social media, or playing games, the display quality on the Galaxy A6 Pro 5G is simply outstanding for this segment. In terms of performance, the Samsung Galaxy A6 Pro 5G is powered by the Snapdragon 7th Gen processor, which delivers strong and reliable performance for daily tasks as well as heavy usage. Multitasking feels smooth, apps open quickly, and there is no noticeable lag even during extended gaming sessions. Games like PUBG, Call of Duty, and Asphalt run very well, making this phone a solid choice for mobile gamers. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Samsung Galaxy A6 Pro 5G really stands out. The phone features a massive 200 megapixels AI main camera, capable of capturing extremely detailed and sharp photos. Daylight photography is excellent, with accurate colors and great dynamic range. Low light performance is also impressive thanks to AI night mode and advanced image processing. On the front, you get a high-quality selfie camera that is perfect for social media, video calls, and content creation. Battery life is another major strength of this smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A6 Pro 5G is equipped with a huge 7000 mAh battery, which easily lasts up to 2 full days on moderate usage. Even heavy users can comfortably get through an entire day without worrying about charging. The phone also supports 65W fast charging, allowing you to quickly recharge and get back to your work or entertainment in no time. In terms of software, the Galaxy A6 Pro 5G runs on the latest version of One UI based on Android, offering a clean, smooth, and feature-rich user experience. You get all the useful Samsung features like split screen, secure folder, customization options, and strong privacy controls. The overall interface feels polished and optimized for long-term use. Connectivity is fully future-ready with 5G support, ensuring faster internet speeds, lower latency, and better network stability. You also get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and all the essential sensors that you would expect from a modern smartphone. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A6 Pro 5G is one of the best mid-range smartphones you can buy right now. It offers a premium display, powerful performance, a flagship-level camera, massive battery life, and fast charging, all packed into a stylish and reliable device. For users looking for a complete smartphone that can handle gaming, photography, content creation, and daily tasks with ease, this phone is definitely worth considering. So that's it for today's detailed review of the Samsung Galaxy A6 Pro 5G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for more professional smartphone reviews and the latest tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.